Now we've gotten the tail taken care of and the body taken care of a little bit. Now we're going to work on the wings. What we're going to do with the wings is we're going to fold them like this and dog ear them here, like this, or rabbit ear, however you want to call it. Just like so. That's how we want it to look. So how we're going to go about that is we're going to take our wing, fold it down like so. As you can see, it's got this little bend here, and we're going to try to bend it this way, and then bend it back. Let's flip this around here. Bend it back along this to a point, like so. Well, that point didn't work out so well. Let's pull the point in just a little bit more. There we go. Point it just like so. Flip it over. See that both wings match this, like this. Very nice. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and modify the tail a little bit. We're going to just open up this tail, just flip it down, like so. Just give it a little twist and bend to it. Not too much. We still want it to have a little bit of shape.